Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll dive into the details that define a great pastel de nata, from the flaky crust to the caramelized top, along with traditional toppings and local eating customs. How to enjoy pastel de nata like a local. If you want to eat like a true Lisbeta, you need to master the art of the coffee break. The best partner for a pastel de nata is a beaker, which is a strong, short shot of espresso. The bitterness of the coffee cleanses your palate after the rich, sweet cream of the tart. You'll see people standing at cafe counters across the city, quickly finishing a tart and a coffee before moving on with their day. It's a fast, affordable luxury that fits into any morning or afternoon routine. When searching for the best spot, always look for the word quente, warm. A pastel de nata is at its peak when the custard is still slightly molten and the pastry is warm to the touch. While the original shop in Ballet is a must-visit for history buffs, other spots have earned a massive following. Manteigueria is a favorite for many, as they only make tarts and you can watch the bakers work through glass windows. Their tarts are known for a particularly thin, salty crust that balances the sugar perfectly. A pastel de nata uses laminated puff pastry. Traditional egg tarts and other styles often use short crust or flaky dough. The top of a pastel de nata has burned or caramelized spots, while other egg tarts usually have a smooth yellow surface. The texture of a pastel de nata is crispy and creamy, while other egg tarts are more crumbly and firm. Pastel de nata is often served warm, while other styles may be served warm or at room temperature. Cinnamon is the most common spice used, while other egg tarts are usually plain. Finding your favorite spot in Lisbon. Aside from the big names, almost every neighborhood in Lisbon has a pasteleria that claims to have the best recipe. You can often tell the quality by looking at the display case. If the tarts look pale, they weren't baked at a high enough temperature. If the pastry looks thick and doughy, move on to the next shop. Part of the fun of visiting Portugal is doing your own taste test to see which style you prefer. Some people like a sweeter custard, while others prefer a heavier hit of lemon or vanilla in the filling. Whether you are sitting in a grand plaza or a small side street, the experience is about slowing down. In a world that often moves too fast, taking 5 minutes to enjoy a warm pastry is a vital part of the local lifestyle. Don't be afraid to order two. It's very common to see people ordering several at once. If you're traveling with friends, buy a box of 6. They stay fresh for a day, though they rarely last that long once the box is opened. A symbol of Portuguese craftsmanship. The pastel de nata is more than a simple snack, it's a symbol of history, resilience and culinary skill. From its humble beginnings in a monastery to its current status as a global icon, this pastry has stood the test of time. It connects the past to the present, reminding us that some of the best things in life are born out of simple necessity. You don't have to be in Lisbon to appreciate the work that goes into those hundreds of thin layers of dough. Even if you can't hop on a plane tomorrow, you can find these tarts in many major cities around the world today. While nothing quite beats a warm tart in a Portuguese square, the global spread of this dessert means most people can experience a taste of this tradition. The next time you see that scorched golden top, give it a try. You'll quickly understand why this little custard tart has captured the hearts of food lovers everywhere. It's a small bite of history that remains just as delicious as it was nearly 200 years ago. With its rich history, precise technique, and unforgettable flavor, the pastel de nata remains a true symbol of Portuguese craftsmanship. Understanding these details makes every bite even more meaningful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.